Why rent to service accommodation is so good right now and how it can generate fast cash flow for low investment. Low investment, no large mortgage deposit to pay, no high legal costs, no stamp duty. For speed, no mortgage applications, no waiting for legal searches. You can agree a rental contract and list the property the very same day on the OTAs. High cash flow, average buy to let returns £300 a month, average SA property returns £1,000 a month. In some instances, if you negotiate a rent-free period, you could even be earning before you were paying. How cool is that? So with the average UK wage sitting around 36 grand per year, people are trading 35, 40 hours per week of their greatest asset, time, for £3,000 per month. That's just free rent to SAs for the same 3 grand per month, and for an average of 14 hours of work a week, without any systemisation, giving you back basically 100 hours or so per month. So don't get me wrong, it's not easy to get out of the gates and get going, but how much time of our greatest asset do you want to keep wasting earning money for someone else? If you want to find out more how you can do this for yourself, DM me, follow me, reach out and we can chat.